Welcome to QuizRampUp channel. Today we'll play Guess the Correct Logo challenge. Let's get started.
It's your turn to identify the genuine McDonald's logo. Spot on. The real McDonald's logo is the one in the center. You've seen the Coca-Cola logo a million times. Can you spot the real one? Yes, the correct Coca-Cola logo is on the right. Who's the real McDonald's mascot? Is it Chester the Cheetah, Grimace, Mr. Red, or Quickie the Rabbit? Take your pick. You got it. It's Grimace. Adidas Logo Challenge. Only one is the real deal. Which one is it? Look closely. The real Adidas logo has 3 stripes leaning to the left. Can you pick out the real Netflix logo? Yes, the real Netflix logo is the one on the left. There's a Netflix logo hidden among all these letters. Can you find it before time's up? Right there, just here it is. Tesla's sleek design isn't just in their cars. Can you identify the real Tesla logo? The real Tesla logo has the extra line on top. Instagram's logo is instantly recognizable, but can you pick out the real one from these 3? The real Instagram logo is on the left. Time for an optical illusion. Squint a little, and the hidden logo will reveal itself. What brand is it? Amazing! It's the YouTube logo. Speaking of YouTube, can you tell which one of these 2 is the correct YouTube logo? Indeed, the correct YouTube logo is under the letter A. YouTube Shorts is up next. Which one of these 3 logos is the real one? The correct YouTube Shorts logo is on the right. Google's got a nice logo, but only one of these 3 is the real McCoy. Can you tell which? Perfect. The real Google logo is under letter C. Which KFC logo is the one you're used to seeing? The real one is on the left, with Colonel Sanders sporting his signature tie. Burger King's logo is iconic, but which one here is the king of logos? The authentic Burger King logo is under letter A. Here's an optical illusion that hides a famous logo. Squint to see which one it is. That's right, it's the Disney logo. Can you guess Disney's official mascot? Yes, it's Mickey Mouse. One of these Mickey Mouse emojis is not like the others. It's here. That's Minnie Mouse. Gamers, unite. Which one is the real Xbox logo? The real Xbox logo is on the right. Switch it up and find the real Nintendo Switch logo among these three. The authentic Nintendo Switch logo is in the center. Nintendo's mascot is legendary, but can you name him? Yes, it's Super Mario. Look closely now. One of these Super Mario emojis is a bit different. Can you find it? There it is. The odd Mario is right here. LG's logo is simple yet memorable, but which one is the legitimate one? The real LG logo has only one dot. Twitch's vibrant logo is a gamer's beacon. Which one of these three is the bona fide logo? That's the one. The real logo is under letter A. TikTok's logo is all over the place, but can you find the real one here? The true TikTok logo is on the right. This beautiful nature scene hides a delicious logo. Can you see it? Yes, it's the Milka logo. Who doesn't love that chocolate? Speaking of Milka, can you guess their adorable mascot? Correct. It's the purple cow, Leela. Messaging has never been the same since WhatsApp, but which logo is the one you've been tapping? The real WhatsApp logo is under letter B. Meta is the new face of a social giant. Which one of these three logos is the real one? Exactly. The real Meta logo is on the left. It's the Twitter XCOM logo. Which side has the real deal? Yes, the genuine logo is on the left. Can you recognize the real Pringles logo? The real Pringles logo is on the right. And one more quick question. Would you rather the old or new Pringles logo? Let us know in the comments. Also, share how many levels out of 30 you've cracked. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more logo quizzes. Good luck picking your next challenge.